Saturday, and my dad and I were going to a game. He needed to stop by the office on the way. I told him I could hang out if he needed work for a little while. When we got there, the office wasn't empty. Another lady had come to the office and brought her son. A weird coincidence was I knew the kid. His name is Miguel, and he's in my class. I didn't know Miguel's mom worked with my dad. Miguel's really shy. His family just moved here from Mexico at the beginning of the year. His English wasn't too good at first, but it's getting better. Still, he mostly hangs out with other kids who speak Spanish. They kind of stick together and play soccer at recess. I sat down near him, but he barely looked at me. I think he felt kind of uncomfortable. I felt kind of weird too because I'm not really used to having to make new friends. I have a pretty tight group of friends at school, and I guess I don't really think much about other kids.